Q46. Read lines 36 to 9 from the poem, both together and apart. What keeps together the pencil in your hand right now, as well as separate from, say, Jupiter? The poet includes these lines most likely to emphasize. Well, what's the idea here again? This is where he was pointing out that these particles and learning about particles tells us how things are held together and held apart, according to the poem. And here he's comparing two things that are completely apart, right? Or there'd be no question that they're separate. Your hand and Jupiter. So what's he trying to do here? What's the main idea? It is important for physicists to continue their research about particles. That's not the idea. This text is not trying to indicate or support the importance of physics. F, these particles have a powerful effect on everything. This is kind of everything. I mean, if you're going from a pencil in your hand to Jupiter, there's a whole lot in between. So if you're keeping them together and apart, that is a powerful effect on, well, what could almost, with a little hyperbole, be everything between Jupiter and your hand. That could well be the right answer. Let's keep going. G, the discoveries about particles provide little information. No, that's wrong. I mean, that's completely false in the passage. The author indicates that we are learning and getting to know new things, and these particles are important because they make up everything. H, the study of particles and the study of objects in space are similar. This has nothing to do with studying particles and objects in space. In fact, the poem clearly says the opposite. That's not true. Some things, like objects, we can feel, but particles that make up those objects, we actually have to be looking for them right in the first stanza. So H is false according to this poem. The correct answer is going to be F. These particles have a powerful effect on everything. The effect is they hold things together and apart, and the everything is indicated by the vast difference between a pencil in your hand and Jupiter. There's obviously a lot in between. F is correct.